In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Android phone to internet using USB cable. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a USB cable available that allows you to connect your phone to a PC or laptop, you will be able to use it to share the network on one of these devices. Keep in mind that this will only allow you to share the network that you have on your smartphone to your PC. So by connecting them together, you will be able to access the internet on your PC or laptop using your phone's network. I cannot confirm that you can do this the other way around. According to my research, this is the only thing that you will be able to do related to sharing network using a USB cable. If you want to do it the other way around, where you connect your phone to the internet using your PC or laptop, then I'm not sure if this is possible. So grab a standard USB cable. USB-C will go into your smartphone, and then USB-A will most likely go into your PC or laptop. Of course, if you want to, you can also use USB-C to USB-C. Just grab the appropriate cable. Now, go into the settings of your smartphone and look under connection and sharing or anything similar. This is going to differ for every single device, but usually under connection and sharing, you will find other networks and connections. And in here, you will be able to configure the personal hotspot and the option to actually connect them together. So go into other sharing mode and look for this particular option, share phone network via USB. On some devices, this is also going to be called USB tethering. So all that you have to do is locate the share phone network via USB or USB tethering option. Upon enabling this, as the name suggests, this will allow you to connect your phone to your PC with a USB cable, and your PC is going to grab the network that is currently active on your phone and use that to connect to the internet. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Android phone to internet using USB cable. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.